Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Vicki Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, here to do the reveal of our very first monthly box of 2022. All right, let's get started. All right, so I always start with the yarn because that's where most of the yay is for me anyway. And this month we have partnered up with friends of YarnYAY and also industry yarn darlings, Blue Sky Fibers. I have worked with them many times in the past throughout my career and really love their work. It is a fellow woman-owned company and they have gorgeous wools. This is 100% Highland wool. It's very lightweight and lofty and lovely. And there's going to be, we have chosen 2 shades of blue. And you will get one, surprise, surprise, you won't know until you open the box. They are both beautiful, kind of neutral and sublime, and we really dig them. So you'll get one of those, a full hank. But what are we gonna make with them? Well, in every single box, we always include a booklet that will give you the patterns for 2 patterns, 1 knit and 1 crochet. Also in that booklet, we have our charts, we have information on all of the companies that you are supporting by supporting YarnYAY, and you'll also get patterns delivered to you digitally as well. So this month, those patterns are going to be for cabled beanies. So for our knitters, we've got the Crossroads beanie. This month I happen to design both of them, but starting next month, we've got our next designer in residence, so be sure to stay tuned for that, who will be helping me out. So this is a really cool go-to beanie with some ribbing, cable panels, and I was really into this shape. A little bit of a unique shape. You use a 3-needle bind off to create it, and I've done a video to show you just how to do that. This is gonna be one of those classic beanies that you keep forever. All right, so crocheters, we also have a crochet beanie. This one also has cables on a bed of half double crochets. And then we've topped it with an optional pom-pom. If you'd like the pom-pom, we have those available that you can purchase separately at yarnyay.com as well. This one is in the darker blue. This happens to be a really great denim-y blue, but will look equally beautiful in our lighter blue as well. So like I said, both patterns come with them, so you can make either one. All right, next up, we like to kick our year off most years with a little nod to the year. So this year we are offering a big project bag made from cork and canvas with artwork by our own Becky Joyner that says Yay 2022, YarnYAY, really fun, exclusive logo, big. This will hold maybe your projects for most of the year if you're working with small projects, or if you're making something larger, this is it. We also use a local promotional company to help source these, so that's another one of our local partners. All right, next up, we are going to make sure that you can wash your wools. We've done this before, but I love it so much that I wanted to reintroduce Soak. Soak Wash is, or the company Soak, who produces Soak Wash, is another woman-owned company, and we are going to be giving you a pack of it. We've got a selection of they gave us sort of a variety pack of scents. We're gonna just surprise you with which one you get in your box. And then if you love it, you can go get full bottles of whichever flavor really floats your boat. So they are distributed right here in the States by Kelburn Woolen. So you can get them here or straight from Soak. All right, and then our last item is one from me. It's got a catchphrase that I did not make up, but I use all the time. You do you. It really sort of embraces my philosophy of taking the information and the creative inspiration that really works for you and then infusing yourself in it. So I had that saying drawn by an illustrator friend, Natterdoodles, and then we turned them into an enamel pin. So this will be your little reminder from me to you do you in 2022. We'll also be having some more products with You Do You on it coming soon at yarnyay.com. All right, so that is everything in the January box. Now, you also have the option about mid-month, we are going to be releasing a very limited amount of additional hanks of wool stock. If the beanie maybe isn't your thing, or maybe you wanna make both, maybe you'd like to wear the cowl or make the cowl that I'm wearing, and all you'll need are 2 hanks. So we're gonna wait and release that second batch of yarn until folks start to get their boxes so they know which color they got, and you can buy the opposite one. Or you can buy, whichever colors you like. So keep your eyes open mid-month for that. Again, very limited stock though. And then for the hat, you will need a cable needle. So if you don't have a cable needle of your own, we also have, I ordered a few of these. I just love them. We have a set of cable needles. This is from a company, another independent company called Bryce Bunn. These beautiful wooden needles. They come in a set. You won't need the full set for this hat, but this will be one of these sets that you keep forever. You can grab that too. All right, and that is how we are going to kick off our year. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to knitting and crocheting with you throughout the year, and just wish you the best 2022. All right, to learn more about these 6 other small businesses that you are supporting with the January box besides just YarnYAY, and to subscribe, please go to YarnYAY.com.